the new machine is essential because the old machine started to break down on us essentially. So the old laser is now about 20 years old, and in 2013 and 2014 it broke down on us. And so we really need reliability, of course, with this kind of equipment. And so we need a new laser to replace the old one. You know, when I think about it, I think about community really. And I think about the fact that St. Paul's Hospital has been such an important part of this community since the 1800s. And then I did a little bit of research into the Vancouver Canadians and realized that this hospital, like them, in one iteration or another, have been around for many, many years. And so really it's about the two parts of the community interacting with each other and helping each other out when you need help. You know, it's interesting, when this happened, I actually thought we were going to be, you know, going to meeting after meeting and, you know, 1,000 emails later begging someone in the government to fund us for a new laser. As it turns out, with the foundation, essentially we had 2 meetings and a need was seen, and it was almost instantaneous that the community rose up and said, we're going to do what we can to give you the equipment that you need to provide the service. So it really makes our life so much easier, because I can waste my time, you know, doing a lot of these, going to a lot of meetings, when in fact if we have a foundation and great community representatives like the Vancouver Canadians to help us out, then you know, I can spend my time doing surgery instead of spending my time doing fundraising. And that's what the foundation's about, and that's why we're so thankful to the Vancouver Canadians for providing this kind of funding for us and these programs. So we have a patient from Saskatchewan coming over right now for a very specialized procedure that they don't feel they can do in Alberta. And most of our patients are actually not from Vancouver. They're from all over the province and from the Yukon as well. So it really needs to be looked at as a provincial resource, and it's a vital type of surgery that we provide. Even though it is only 75 patients a year, those patients are very complex, and they really need this kind of complicated treatment. At any one time, I think we're the largest extraction program, give or take a few others. You know, we are engaging in some very world-class research as well. We've now got a study with the company that's makes the laser. That's a Canadian and a US study, which is turning out to be quite a large look at the outcomes of laser extractions and trying to make laser extraction safer. And so we're really engaging in some international research as well.